Okay friends, today we will see how to run Python code with the help of Notepad++ or how to add Python 2 and Python 7 into your Notepad editor. Okay, so for doing this we just first create a Python script file in Notepad. Okay, in my case I just want to print random mobile number through this. Okay, so let's start. Go to run option. Okay, or just press F5 key. Go to run. Now here you have to type for Python 2. Okay, just write py, then -2 I, then $sign, double quotes, then $sign, then you have to write bracket, then bracket close, double quotes, and then write here full path. Okay, like this you just write, or you can copy this full current path. Okay, let's copy this and paste this here into your run command. Okay, then click on run, then you will redirect to the Python window. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is your Python window. Okay, then your Python window will pop up. Okay, so it is better to save your Python command. Okay, how to save it? Just go to run, then type your command for Python 2, then click on save. Okay, and then write name, whatever you want to put. Okay, choose which option you want to run. Okay, then click on OK, then a shortcut will be created. Okay, I already created. Okay, so for Python 3 you just type here Python 3 only, Python 3. Okay, like this, then save this with the shortcut name. Okay, let's run this. Waiting. After this you will see the result of your Python code. Waiting. Thanks for watching.